Alright, so these are the ingredients we got. We got garlic, we got tomato. We have chicken. So guys, these are the ingredients we're going to use to cook this peanut butter soup. Oh, the 10,000 of you guys there, this is for you guys. Enjoy. Yes. Hello everyone, we're cooking Gambian peanut butter soup. It's a Ghanaian 𝙁𝙤𝙧 𝙒𝙬𝙘. So guys, it's pretty simple, but they use a different ingredient. Jay is helping to cook. Jay is doing the simmering and the sealing of the chicken. So guys, I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this simple food. Thank you very much. So these are the ingredients we got. We got garlic, we got tomato puree, then we have the peanut butter. Then we also have a chicken. So guys, these are the ingredients we're going to use to cook this peanut butter soup. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pour my rice on this. Yeah. So now we're simmering the chicken. So what Jay did was Jay kind of sealed the chicken. So what she did was she just sprinkled a little bit oil in the pan, then put the chicken very slowly, then turn it, like make sure it's sealed properly. And once it's sealed, now we put the spices which include garlic, black pepper, and one bowl of tomato. And then I think that's it. We blended it. You saw it over the video. We blended it, then we pour it over the pot. It's cooking now. Jay set the timer to 30 minutes. So we're going to wait for 30 minutes. Hopefully the chicken will simmer and taste delicious. Then we can mix the peanut butter. I hope all the Gambians watching, sorry if you're not cooking it properly, please do leave us a comment. Jay is making sure this food tastes delicious as ever. So guys, stay tuned. Alright, so what Jay is doing now is going to make the chicken stock.
Stew.
My hand is washed.
Because it's broken up. Look.
Yeah.
Sure.
All over. I probably need more of that. Yeah.
Voila!
You good? For all the 10,000 subscribers, guys, this is just to appreciate that we've been creating content for over 17 months, and j.𝙗𝙀 bought me this just to say congratulations. So guys, we're going to open this for all the 10,000 of you guys there. This is for you guys. And j.𝙗𝙀, thank you so much, j.𝙗𝙀. This is, thank you. Let's enjoy Gambian food.